Guys, paano nga ba tayo makakakuha ng birth certificate sa PSA online? Yes guys, you heard it right. Pwede na makakuha ng birth certificate sa PSA through online. Guys, kung gusto niyo malaman, follow mo lang yung steps na to and you are good to go. Okay? Punta ka lang guys sa Google, then i-type mo yung PSA helpline.ph. Ayan. Okay, type mo yan. Search mo. Ayan guys, itap mo yan yung PSA online application. Okay guys, makikita mo yan. Okay, din itap mo guys yung order now. Okay, itap mo yan. Ayan, you can choose guys kung anong certificate yung kukunin mo sa PSA, like birth certificate, marriage contract, CNMR, and date certificate. Ayan, tampo lang dyan. Yung sa akin is birth certificate. After that guys, yung terms and condition, itap mo yan. Ayan, then i-continue mo lang guys. Tap mo yung continue. Okay. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, itap mo lang kung sarili mong birth certificate yung kukunin mo or kung sa ibang tao. Ayan, tap mo lang, then tap mo yung continue. Okay, then ayan guys, request for your own birth certificate. Yan ang kukuning data sa'yo guys. Ayan. Ayan, makikita mo guys yung 1 to 7 na data. Okay guys, fill out mo lang yung needed data dyan. 1 to 7 yan, yung personal data yan ng may-ari ng birth certificate. Then after that guys, dito ka na sa delivery payment option guys. Marami namang pagpipilian dyan. Yung GCash, yung Maya, yung 7-Eleven or yung Palawan Pawn Shop kung saan ka magbabayad through online. Ganun lang kadali guys. Choose mo lang guys yung door-to-door na option para i-deliver talaga sa bahay nyo. Okay? 3 to 4 working days ata sa Metro Manila. Then nationwide naman 3 to 8 days yung paghihintay para guys ma-deliver sa'yo yung birth certificate mo. Yun lang, sana nakatulong.